Hi mga kumari! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. Today, I'll be sharing how I did a simple makeup look for my Snow White cosplay. I feel that Snow White is famous for beautiful eyes, curly eyelashes, and glowing skin. So these are the things that I try to achieve with my look. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. The contact lenses I'm using today are Olens Candy Hazel lenses. I thought Snow White had green eyes, but when I checked online, apparently she has brown eyes. So I decided to go for this bright brown shade. Snow White is famous for having glowing skin, so of course, I'm going to use my favorite Espoir Dewy Face Glow Face Primer. I'll be applying and blending this product all over my face. I wanted to use a foundation that gives a nice glow but also has good lasting power. This is why I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation for this look. As usual, I'm using a kabuki brush to buff this foundation onto my face. Now, I'll be applying Maybelline Super Stay Under Eye Concealer on my under eye area as well as other blemishes I wish to conceal. I'll be patting this concealer to blend it in, and then smoothing it out using a kabuki brush. For blush, of course, it has to be BLK Creamy Cheek Paint. And since this is a Snow White tutorial, it definitely has to be the blush shade in Apple. I'll be taking a small amount of this product and I'll be patting it repeatedly until the color is diffused and well blended. Now, I'll be using Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder to set everything in. As usual, I take a generous amount of powder and lightly brush it onto my face until there's no sticky feeling anymore. Snow White has really dark and defined brows, which is why I am using the darkest eyebrow product I own, which is Anastasia's Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. Since this product is very pigmented, I'll be slowly adding the pomade until my brows are nicely defined. Of course, no eyebrow look is complete without Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I'll be using this to add volume and definition to my brow hairs, and also to set the hairs upward so that they don't droop downwards. To make the eyeshadows go on intensely, I'll be using Can Make Lasting Multi-Eye Base WP, making sure that it's applied thinly and evenly. Using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Palette and using a large fluffy brush, I'll be taking the dark eyebrow powder and applying it as my main transition and background shade. I'm following the contours of my eye and using repeated window wiper strokes to add product and to buff it at the same time. This time, using a long fluffy brush, I'm taking the light eyebrow powder to further buff out the dark eyebrow powder I had just applied. I'll be applying this light eyebrow powder a little bit above the part where the dark powder ends so that there can be a smooth gradation. Now, using a small smudge brush, I'm applying the dark eyebrow powder onto the outer half of my lower lash line. To add some metallic shimmer to this look, I'll be using BLK Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Hello. This eyeshadow is a thick mousse, which is why I find it easier to put in a tiny brush to get more product out faster. I then just blend it onto my lid area and blend a little of it onto the lower part of my crease area. Of course, every Disney princess look has to be magical. So, I'm adding sparkle using Peri Para Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Beige. This time, I'm using just a very small amount and I'm spreading it out thinly so that the glitters look scattered instead of looking densely packed. Now, I'll be applying 3CE Eye Switch in double note onto the inner half of my lower lash line. I find that chunky glitters reflect light in a way that makes the eyes look more expressive, which is why I'm using this product for this look. This time, I'll be using K Palette Real Lasting Eyeliner to draw a medium thickness line onto my lash line. I'll be adding false eyelashes later on so the line can't be too thin. For this look, I'll be making a small curved wing and I won't be doing a long angular wing. I'm just winging it out to make sure that the eyes look lifted and awake. And now, it's time to use my Holy Grail Koji Curving Eyelash Curler to curl my upper lashes. Since Snow White is famous for having beautiful eyes, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara to add volume to my lashes and to make an illusion of larger eyes. I'm using this mascara on both my upper and lower lashes. I wanted to go for glamorous lashes with hairs that aren't too long, so Boktos P068 is what I chose for this look. The lash hairs are densely packed in a crisscross fashion, which I think is a good representation of Snow White's thick and curly lashes. For highlighter, of course, it's gotta be Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. I'll be brushing this product onto the apples of my cheeks, apples of my cheeks, as well as other areas I want to add some glow to. For shading, I'm using Can Make shading powder, and I'll be lightly applying this onto the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead. For the lips, it definitely has to be a stunning red, so I'm using Black Rouge Airfit Velvet Tint in A04. This is an intense blue-based red that helps to create an illusion of brighter skin, which I think is necessary when you're maintaining your image of being the fairest of them all. For this look, since I have the same hair color as Snow White, I didn't use a wig anymore. I just curled my hair prior to doing the makeup using my Vodana Glam Wave iron, and just rearranged my hair after I was done with the makeup. And we're done with this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. And of course, thank you so much to my beautiful daughter Sandy for guesting in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and to like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram at DollopMary. I'll see you at the next one. Bye!